Flu is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses that infect the nose, throat, and sometimes the lungs. Flu is caused by influenza viruses only, whereas the common cold can be caused by a number of different viruses, including rhinoviruses and parainfluenza. How to make ginger tea for flu. Thinly sliced ginger. Ginger tea not only tastes good but also helps in treating common cold and cough. Ginger tea helps in drying running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Among various health benefits of ginger, it is known to soothe common cold and speeds up the recovery process. Although many types of viruses can cause a common cold, rhinoviruses are the most common cause. After the water is warm, add a spoonful of honey. Another effective home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon and honey. This syrup effectively cures cold and cough. Have this syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough.